There's a wedding tree. So if you get married at Christmas, this is perfect. Look at that. Bride and groom bag. Plates. Oh, everything. Look at that. With the bells. Oh, look at that. And the big wedding bells on top. With the flowers. Like a bouquet. Wow, look at some of these ornaments. Look. The little car. Limousine. Bows.
So I was going to get something like that if we went to the craft show today.
One's over there. Oh, some more little cars right here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Different kind of tree. If you get married at Christmas, that's a perfect tree. There you go.